I was wondering if programs used in the real world are mostly written in Rust or Go. How to create a real world statistics to compare. I found that Homebrew lists the dependencies of the package like this. The dependencies of either to build are pandoc, pkg-config, and Rust. So I can get all software packages in Homebrew and query every package to get its dependencies. Then calculate the number of packages which depends on Go and others on Rust. I was wondering if I should execute system commands of brew list and brew info package name, but fortunately Homebrew has a JSON file containing all Homebrew Core Formulae. So I created a simple Go program and named it gobrew to get the JSON via API. Then parse it and count all Go based software packages. I made gobrew more general so you can use it to get the number of packages written in Ruby by this command gobrew-l Ruby. You can specify any programming language or library or build system or runtime, but we'll focus on Rust and Go for now. I basically get the formula JSON file from public API of Homebrew, then save it locally. Load the JSON file from storage, parse it, get all programs that depend on the language we specified. After getting all programs or formula, we count them. That's the count of all programs written in that programming language or depend on that build system. Let's get the statistics of programs written in Rust and Go. June 2nd, Go had 988 and Rust had 534. On July 1st, Go had 998 and Rust had 550. On August 1st, 2024, Go reached 1000. The exact number was 1006 programs. Rust still at half of Go's program at 556. On September 7th, 2024, Go had 1018, yet Rust had 507. On October 2nd, 2024, Go had 1029 and Rust had 579. On November the 2nd, Go had 1031 and Rust had 598. On December 1st, Go had 1046, yet Rust still at 128. On January 1st, 2025, Go raised up to 1077 and Rust reached 607. And let's check their counts today. July 9, 2025. gobrew-l Go, it gave us 1173. And Rust by the command gobrew-l Rust, it told us Rust now has 750. Rust is rising fast, but Go reached a huge level above Rust in terms of number of programs written in those languages. I think of Rust as a great language for low-level programming such as operating system modules and device drivers. And I think of Go as a perfect back-end programming language and CLI apps. CLI, which means command line interface. I think that's why Go is almost 2 times more used to create apps distributed via Homebrew compared to Rust. I think Go is more useful for most cases, but there are other specific cases suitable more for Rust and Zig, which I think will succeed and get popular, but that's a talk for another video. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments below if you have any questions.